Welcome back, Monday Moneymakers. This is your boy Duran. As always, I have a new opportunity that you cannot miss, and it's the Animaker application. So basically what it does is it creates different animation cartoons or different animation TV shows that you want to create to tell your story. So here, if you go onto the actual website, you will have characters, and you can just add them to your storyboard and make them do different, make them talk and do different things to that nature. You can even add, different background situations here, when it loads, based on the scenes that you want. And, it's pretty, once you start getting used to it, it makes sense. And you how you tell stories, you have characters, you have scenes, you have dialogue, and all of that comes together to tell a story, of whatever you want to say. So in this case, when I created it here, it's pretty much about a boy, being mad at his father because his father has to work and the boy wants to go trick-or-treating, and he wants him to take off of work, but his father can't do that. So in this scene, he's kind of walking away, from his father, upset, and you can see that now play out here.
From me, son. Because I can't go trick-or-treating. I have to go to work now, and you need to go to bed, son.
But can you not go to work and take me trick-or-treating, please?
Good morning, Jillian. How are you doing?
Hey, Jeffrey, how is your son doing?
And there you have it. It's very short and sweet to the point, but I want to kind of bring that up to you because you guys can go ahead and start creating your own YouTube channels, animated. You can make some serious money from that if you invest a lot more time than I did in it.